How to fix LinkedIn video not playing. In order to fix LinkedIn video that aren't playing, you would start by identifying the issue, whether it's with your browser, mobile app, or network connections. So if it's a server issue, you could just go and open this browser, type in LinkedIn down detector, and here you could go and select the downdetector.com, and this is where you can find out whether there is an issue with the server or not. Next, what you could also do is, if you have any sort of VPN or extension installed, might want to disable that too as well. After which, you go to settings on your device, locate network and internet from the list, and make sure that you've switched between your Wi-Fi or mobile data. That should also definitely help you out. Now that you've done this, you want to make sure to go to your app store and make sure to update the app to the latest version as well. However, if nothing works out, you could go ahead and try using a browser version, or maybe try using an incognito mode as well, and this should definitely help you out. So if nothing works out, restart your device, uninstall LinkedIn, and then try playing the video. That should definitely help you out. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.